In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix DayZ stuttering issue. So first go to Steam, find the game, and then here you will have to right click and then properties and then installed folders, installed files, and then verify integrity of game files. So once you have done this, by the way, you can do this for DayZ. So I'm showing example for this game. Do the same steps for DayZ. So you would just follow the same steps and just like do the same thing. It has the same menu, same options. Just verify integrity of game files. So once you have done this, you want to go to settings here, and down here you'll see cloud. So here cloud, make sure this is enabled, and under download you want to make sure your region is selected to your exact region. If you don't see your region, just select something close to it. Then you want to make sure down you click clear cache to clear the cache. And over here, you can just close this down. Now you want to open CMD, then run as administrator. Here you want to type in flush, so ipconfig /flush DNS, and then you want to press enter. And then ipconfig /release. Then you can close this down after you load this command. So let's say you're still having the stuttering issues and the lag issues. So I suggest checking if there's an update for your graphics cards. So if you're using, let's say, NVIDIA graphics cards, you can check through the NVIDIA app, go to drivers, and just download any recent drivers. And if you're using AMD, you can just search AMD. I think AMD also has an app, and you can check through AMD if there's any updates. So let's say you're still having these stuttering issues, then I suggest trying to restart the game by uninstalling and reinstalling it. So first thing you want to do is just go here and find the game, find DayZ, then go to right click, then manage, and then uninstall. Then what you want to do is go to this PC, and then C drive, then down here users, go to your user, and then documents, and then you should see DayZ here. If you don't see it, that means it's been successfully deleted. If you do see it, then you just have to right click on it and then delete it if you see DayZ here. After you delete it, just go back to Steam, like reinstall the game, reinstall everything, and it should hopefully work.